Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find a. Solution: 8 power a plus 4 power a equal to 36. Now we are going to write this 8 as 2 power 3 whole power this a plus 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 2 whole power this a equal to 36. Now we are going to apply this formula: a power m whole power n equal to a power m times n equal to a power n whole power m. We are going to interchange this power, so 2 power a whole power 3 plus 2 power a whole power 2 equal to this 36. Now let us assume that 2 power a equal to x. So apply this here: x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2 equal to 36. Now we are moving this 36 left hand side, so x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2 minus 36 equal to 0. Now x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2 minus this 36 can be written as 27 plus 9 equal to 0. Now x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2 multiply with this minus inside the bracket, so minus 27 minus 9 equal to 0. Now rearranging this, x to the power of 3 minus 27 plus x to the power of this 2 minus 9 equal to 0. Now this can be written as x to the power of 3 minus this 27 can be written as 3 to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2 minus 9 can be written as 3 to the power of 2 equal to 0. Now we are going to apply this algebra formula, which is a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 equal to a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. This formula here, and also a square minus b square equal to a minus b, a plus b. These two formulas we are going to apply here: x minus 3 x square plus 3 square plus 3x plus this formula we are going to apply here, that is x minus 3 x plus 3 equal to 0. Now we are able to see x minus 3 here, x minus 3. We are going to take that common out. So x minus 3 open bracket x square plus 3 square plus 3x plus x plus 3 equal to 0. X minus 3 here, x square plus 3 square is 9 plus 3x plus x plus 3 equal to 0. Now x minus 3 x square plus 3x and 1x is 4x plus 9 plus 3 is 12 equal to 0. Now we have two equations here. One is x minus 3 equal to 0. Other one is x square plus 4x plus 12 equal to 0. Now x equal to 3. This is the one solution. We can see from this equation. Here this is the complex root, so we are rejecting this. Let us recall that 2 to the power of a equal to x. Now we know that x equal to 3, so 2 to the power of a equal to 3. Now we have to find a here, so take a log on both sides. Log 2 to the power of a equal to log 3. Now we are going to apply this log power formula. Log m power p equal to p log m. This formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get a log 2 equal to log 3. Now we are going to divide by log 2 on both sides. Log 2 here, here log 2. Now this log 2 cancels this. So we have a equal to log 3 by log 2. Now a equal to log 3 base 2. This is the a here. Here we applied that log formula, that log a by log b equal to log a base b. This formula we have applied here. This is the final solution for given problem. Thanks for watching this video.